In today's video, we will be testing and reviewing the Kitchen Mama can opener. I bought this can opener because I thought there had to be an easier way than the manual can opener I was already using. I'm going to compare the Kitchen Mama can opener to my old and frustrating can opener to see if it's truly better. I'll try opening 4 different varieties of cans with the Kitchen Mama before finally deciding if it was worth it. Before we get to the Kitchen Mama, I want to show you the frustration that I was having with my current can opener. As you can see, even after going around the can once, the lid still won't pop off. After the second pass, only half the lid became unsealed. Now, let's check out the Kitchen Mama. I really hope this gadget works so I can finally retire my old opener. The Kitchen Mama claims the following: it's the best hands-free opening solution. Easily open almost any can by pressing the button to start and again to stop. The cutting blade cuts alongside the lid without touching the food inside, leaving no sharp cuts. And it could potentially help those that have a hard time gripping a standard can opener. With the 4 AA batteries installed, let's go for a spin. Just a quick look at how it works. With a corny slogan like that, I thought it'd be appropriate to open up a can of corn to start us off. Position the lip of the can between the blade and the gear and make sure it fits flat against the top of the can. You can see that here. Now, just press the button to start. I sped this up to 3x speed, so I'll tell you how many seconds it took. If you've enjoyed this video so far, please consider hitting the like button. 27 seconds. I think that's pretty good. The top of the can should just lift right off. Dang, that was easy. Already liking this better than the other can opener. The edge of this lid is pretty smooth. I don't see any sharp edges. Here's a quick comparison of the new can opener and the old can opener. I'd say the results are different. Now, let's test 3 different types of cans before I give the final verdict. We also need to test how well the magnet works for hands-free removal. Once we open this can, we're going to see if it can actually pull the lid off by itself. Alright, let's see. Not quite. We gave it a few attempts. We'll try it again on a few other cans, but it should have came off. That's what should have happened the first time. May just not be strong enough. I personally don't mind, but they did advertise it. Alright, let's give this another go. And nothing again. Well, we're 0 for 2. Now the final challenge. Can it actually open a pull tab can? I know it has a pull tab, but for some, it just might be easier to open it this way. I'm really curious if it can actually just go around once, or we'll have to send it around a couple times. And over 3 on the magnet. Now this is still kind of stuck. Looks like we're going around one more time. It looks like on these cans, you might have to go around twice. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with how well the can opener worked. The pull tab did take another attempt, but it still might be easier for some. The magnet on the bottom could be stronger. The can opener seems pretty well built. I've seen if some people have had issues, the company is responsive and helpful, which is a plus. I feel comfortable recommending this gadget and I plan to use this myself. If you're interested, I put the link in the description. Hit the like button if you like this review.